Backtesting session part 2. So, as the last time, I'm gonna be using ChatGPT to pick me my date. And we got April 17 of 2023. So, let's see the chart to make sure I don't see the data, and let's do April 17, which is right here. Okay, so as you know already, I'm starting on a daily time frame, and first thing again is direction. So on a daily, I'm bullish. H4, I'm bullish. H1, I'm bullish, so I'm looking to take a buy. Where? Key level. I will do one key level here, another key level right here, another key level right here, and I think we are good to go. Let's drop down on a H4. Okay, this key level looks good. Yeah, everything looking good. So I'm waiting for some buy position on my key level. Okay. What I want to see at this point is breakout structure or on lower time frame, which will be right here. So I have everything set right now, but I need to see the breakout structure, because right now at this point price is a little bit looking more bearish on this specific time frame. Okay, we don't break the structure yet. We break structure to the downside on lower time frames, which is interesting. But I know on the higher time frames I'm still bullish, so I'm not be looking to sell. I will be looking to buy once we break this structure point. Okay, we broke above the zone, which is good sign for bulls, and we didn't get the structure break yet, so we're still waiting. Right now I want to see break above this one. So because as you can see, guys, let's say I will buy on every engulfing on this zone, and I will get stopped out, or I will get break even. Why? Because I didn't wait for the structure break on the lower time frames. That's the key. I want to see. Let's say this is on H4, like some type of a higher low point, but before it will turn to the higher low point on H4, it needs to break some type of a resistance, some type of a structure on lower time frames, to then start on lower time frames to trending bullish like this, for me to take advantage. So let's see. Okay, we are still waiting. I'm gonna go on a hourly time frame. Okay, still waiting. And we didn't break it yet. Okay. Okay, right now I want to see break this structure. Okay, right now the structure is right here, because this is a lower low, this is lower high, this is a low. So in example, it looking something like this. So if price touches the low, this is a valid structure point, so it will be looking something like this. Okay, and we got our break. So right now I'm waiting for a retest and engulfing candlestick, as you already know, which we got. Not yet. Didn't got it yet, so I'm still waiting. Okay, we pull back again to this low, almost. But right now, I'm bullish already. So I want to see some type of a... Okay, yeah. I would miss this trade because it was too risky for me. But right now, we are clearly breaking lower highs and levels of structure. So right now I'm bullish on a daily, bullish on H4. Right now I'm bullish on lower time frames. So right now I'm just waiting for pullback to one of my zones to take a buy. Okay. We got a really deep pullback, so we apply our FIBs from A to B. And I want to see bullish engulfing. Which doesn't happen yet. Okay, which happened right here. So I'm buying right here. Now, in terms of stop loss, I want to see price. I want to give price big room to breathe because we pull back around 88.6%. And it could take some time. It could be some liquidity grabs on the way up. So I want to give price room to breathe at least like 100 pips right here under every low what we created right here. What I'm gonna target is this resistance level right here for 2.1 hour risk. My stop loss is set, take profit is set, so I'm just waiting. And yeah, take profit was it for 2.1 my risk. So that's gonna be 2.1%. And look at this, guys. Look at the trade frequency. Well, what I have. Like I saw price was ranging almost like, let's see, price was ranging for like 2 weeks. So there was no high probability setup for me to take. So in this case, I would be without trade for 2 weeks. And I waited for high probability setup to occur, which happened right here, and I win. I think it's better to not trade rather than take a loss here, take a loss right here, take a loss right here, you name it. It's better to wait for high probability setup. So you have to always wait for high probability setup, even when you're backtesting, even when you're live trading. So that's first trade, and that's a win. That's what counts at the end of the day. And yeah, we broke structure again. I will draw some levels. Some key levels right here, like this. And yeah, let's see. Okay, right now what I want to see is a pullback to this key level. This is an engulfing candlestick, but it's not on my key level, so I'm not taking it. I want to see pullback to my key level, which we got right here, as you can see. If I take this entry without my key level, I wouldn't be stopped out. So let's drop down on a 30 minute. Let's see what we got. And yeah, look, engulfing candlestick on key level, every time frame bullish. So I'm entering the trade right here. Stop loss under the zone, under the low, let's say right here. It's a good size stop loss and target. This is another key level for 2 times my risk. Again, stop loss set, take profit set, enter the trade. I'm just waiting. Plus, as you can see, we was in this range 14 days, 2 weeks, and we broke the range, and now we're retesting the range. So again, this is a high probability setup for me. So I'm taking it. I'm not thinking about should I take it, should I not, when I'm live trading, by the way. I'm just taking it because it's a high probability setup, and I want to take only high probability setups. Okay, and yeah, we hit our take profit for 2 times my risk again. Plus 2%. So let's play it again. We broke our major level. Let's see how we're looking on H1. Okay, we broke it. We now retesting it, and price gave us our engulfing candlestick. So I'm looking to buy, stop loss under this low. Let's say I'll give it a little bit more room to breathe. Under low, under zone, and target 2 to 1 at least this high. And yeah, we got stopped out, which give us minus 1% because we are risking 1%, and we are no longer at 100% win rate. But the win rate doesn't matter that much, guys. In trading, you're not gonna see 100% win rate strategy. It just doesn't exist. What's more important is risk to reward, because as you can see, I lost, but I only lose 1%, and when I win 2%, I win 2%. So even if I lose another trade, my win rate is gonna be 50%, but I'm still gonna be 2.1% in profit, even if my win rate is 50%. So win rate is not that important as risk to reward.